know that it's not Danish, alright.
Vidi ne znam zašto te nema verovatno. Zato što te sada boli kurac. Da se javiš i kažeš makar idiote, dobro sam. Odjedi neću da te čujem i vidim makar kaži ne vidim zašto kuliraš. Next one. Nisam trasila da me ženiš, nego možeš da se javiš i napišeš Ćao, čujemo se kada budem mogao. You understand that?
Perfect.
Last one.
Perfectly. Okay, the last one.
Izvini. Ali juče sam bila malo nervno. Rasturnuta na saloš, to je kod nas. Normalno da se devojka naljuti kada joj muškarac ne odgovara pošle seksa. Zato što su muškarci ovdje švinje. Većinom sast i susjedcima. To je to.
Okay, so what happened after all? So you banged her and you didn't want to have her...
No, I would love to have something to do with her. I just didn't respond timely. But you know how this Balkanska circus, so you have to live with that. And I did respond, my dear lovely daily Diana, do not, and I repeat, do not let yourself fall into that Serbian shit where you get angry or disappointed if you don't receive an answer to a message when you would have expected it to come. I have written you many times where you did not respond for days. And I do not have a problem with that. It's perfectly okay. I will, however, since I'm Danish, say sorry for not having responding within an acceptable time frame. You are still fantastic. I like you a lot, and if I could, I would love to spend more time with you than I already do. That's it.
Yeah, way to go. Bravo.
That was my Serbian and I'm finito.
Okay, great.